Hello dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, we are going to study email. Okay? In this video, I will tell you what is email, group of email, it means to say types of email, and the format of an email writing. Is that clear? Okay? So dear students, very first, let's see what is email. You can see I have written email, also known as electronic mail. Is that clear? everyone know Everyone knows that email is also called as electronic mail. Is a method of exchanging digital messages across internet or other computer networks. Okay, email is a method of exchanging digital messages. Is it clear? Email is a method of exchanging digital messages across internet or other computer networks. So we can share digital message, digital information through the email, okay, across the internet or other computer networks. Okay, it is quickest. It is a quickest way to communicate in writing. Okay students, this is the fastest way. This is the fastest way to communicate in the writing. Okay, so I hope you have got the definition of email. Okay, now let's see. Emails can be grouped into three categories. So how many categories of email? Three categories. We have three categories of email. Let's see what are these three categories: formal email, semi-formal email, and the last one, informal email. So how many categories we have of email? Three categories. The first one, formal email, second one, semi-formal email, and the last one, informal email. So let's see what is the formal email. Formal emails are sent to people whom the writer does not know. Is that clear? The emails, okay, the emails are sent to people whom the writer does not know. So that types of emails comes in the category of formal. Suppose that I am writing an email to you and I do not know about you, so that email is called formal email. Okay, now see next. Semi-formal or less formal emails are usually sent to people whom the writer knows or colleagues. And what is the semi-formal or less formal emails? Semi-formals or less formal emails are usually sent to people whom the writer knows or colleagues. Okay, it means to say semi-formal emails are the emails, okay, when the writer knows the sender. Okay, when the writer knows the receiver of the email. Okay, suppose that I am writing the letter and I knows you. Okay, and or you are my colleague means co-worker. So these types of email is known as a semi formal or less formal emails. Okay, now see the last one, informal emails. Okay, informal emails are sent to friends, relatives, and close acquaintances. Okay, so we writes informal emails to our friends, to our relatives, and to our close familiars. Okay, to our close acquaintances. Okay, so I hope you have got the category of email very well. Okay students, if you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, now see format of an email writing. See the format of an email writing. So dear students, whenever you write any email, whether it is formal, semi formal or informal, whenever you write any email, you always make a box like this one. I have draw a box. So whenever we write email, okay, whenever we write a mail, an email, so students, we mention very first we draw a box, and everything that we write in email must be written inside the box. So very first we draw a box and we leave the first line, and after that we draw again a box, we draw a box again, and in that box we mention a proper complete email id of the receiver of the email. To whom you are writing the email, you will mention the email id of the receiver. Suppose that you are writing an email to the principal of the Bluebell School, so I have mentioned here bluebellschool@gmail.com. So suppose that you are writing email to me, so you will mention my email id in this column. Okay students, is that clear? So we mention the complete email id of the receiver to whom we write the email in the first box. After that we make one line gap, okay, we drop a line and again make a box, and in that box we mention the subject. This is the subject on which topic you writing the email. Suppose that I have written this email to invite a team, okay, to participate in the inter school quiz competition. Suppose that my school is organizing an inter school quiz competition, and I am writing an email to the principal of a Bluebell School to send a team to participate in this quiz. So very first I have mentioned the email id of the school, and after that we mention the subject on which topic you are writing the email. Okay students, and after that we again skip a line and we mention salutation. Okay, as we write in letters, we mention the salutation dear sir or dear ma'am, and put a comma here. Don't forget to put a comma. And after that, in 4 or 5 lines generally, okay, 4 5 lines, we mention our problem. We mention the things for what we are writing the email. Okay, so we mention our content, and this content is known as the body of the email. Okay, the content, the on topic which you writing the email, this is the known as the body of the email. Okay, and this is the called heading. Okay, header of the email, head of the email, and this is the body of the email. And at last we end with the subscription. Okay, and we use yours faithfully, and don't forget to mention comma. We write here yours faithfully, and after that at last we mention the name whatever. Okay, so dear students, one thing remember, we leave here equal gap, and we also make here equal gap. Okay, so this is the format of a formal email writing. Okay students, is it clear? So I hope you have got my words very well. So this was the format of email writing. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Till then, watch the video and enjoy the video, and I hope you have got these all points very well. Okay students.